Okay, good afternoon everyone. Today is, where are we? Thursday. And I've been out shopping. I bought some plaster Paris, plaster rolls. Used to use them in the theatre. And some more PVA glue, some poster paints. These are all like just cheap ones from the pound shop. Apart from that, that's from Hobby Craft, but again it's only £1. And I bought some cheap paint brushes. And some varnish, again from the pound shop. So I've already started the back, as you can see, and all that is just literally rolled up paper and cardboard, and then I've sprayed it with a weak mixture of PVA glue and water. I mean, it's cheap PVA glue anyway, so it's pretty watery to start with, just to give it a soak in, and then I'll start building up the plaster Paris on top of that then. And that'll give us our back. I don't want to go too far out, I'm going to push that in a little bit as I go. But anyway, that's a start. Okay, and the next bit I'll show you is when I've got some plaster Paris on there. Okay, so that's the first part done. I haven't bothered to show you how to put plaster on because most people know how to put plaster on. It's, if not, if you let me know in the comments that you don't know how to do it, then I will do one of the thing. Right, so I have made up here a weak plaster Paris mix. Okay, it's just a very watery, you can see, watery mix. All I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this onto the top, just to fill in some of the gaps like this, look, and to give it a bit of a smoother finish. In between doing this, I've made it in, when I'm waiting for everything to drop, I've made it in from the past 2 days on our road trip to Worthing and Denbies and everything. Don't ask me how, but I'm actually doing it the wrong way around. I'm doing yesterday's before I've done Tuesdays, but that's me all over. Anyway, this hasn't got to look fantastic. This is just just building it up a bit to give me some hills in that at the back. I still haven't actually decided what I'm doing. This is all doing it as I go, making it up as I go. It really is. I have no idea. I've got no plan in my head at all as to what we're going to do. But I'm sure once I start doing it, it'll all come together. Let's get rid of this. It will all come together, I'm sure. Anyway, this is this is just to smooth it all off, because you're not going to see this because it's going to be painted green and brown, and then it's going to have grass and everything else on it. And down the bottom here will be houses. I still haven't decided exactly how I'm going to do the track and where the drawing is going to go. Whether I'm going to go to a circle or whether I'm just going to have it as a diorama, I don't know yet. I really don't know. So far since I've started doing this, I think I've changed my mind about 6 times anyway. And that's just this time, not the first time I started doing it at this end. As I say, this is just to fill in the gaps and that. Because you're wetting it, you can actually smooth it off a bit as well. It's actually a lot easier putting this on a human than it is doing it this way, trust me. You get the gist anyway. I'm going to carry on doing this without recording it now. Good afternoon. Change of camera now. We're going to start using one of the old S70s up here, and the AE ones. Right, I've been buying some bits and pieces, and the first thing is this. This is some alanrobinson.co.uk, although I actually got it off eBay, and apparently this is the best way to go now with the instead of using track pins, you're using track screws. So I can't remember how much this was. It was less than a tenner. So you get a nice little screwdriver, very nice little screwdriver, and the pins to go with this, little screws to go with it. So there's that, and I've also bought, these are all my recommendations from when I've been watching eBay, and these are terminals. So you know, when I use the chop block, tag strips are what we used to call them, but apparently they're called chop blocks now. Yeah, so when I use them, so instead of just poking a wire in there, the idea is you actually poke that in there like that, and that gives a nice solid end. So we'll be playing with them, and that's what we'll be using. Let's close that one up before I knock it everywhere. And of course I've got the terminal connector to go with it, like the crimper to go with that. So we've got them to play with. I've got a new battery for my my polystyrene cutter. Basically it should give everybody a good view of everything going on. So hopefully you can see this now. This is what was all doing the other day. This horrible bit of stuff can come down now. We don't need that anymore. As I said at the time, that was all temporary while we build at the back. Going to give it another coat of paint at the back there. Let's put this out of the way. I'm going to put a pin in there. Where do I put them pins? There we go. Just pin this up here so I know where it is. I'll end up looking for the damn thing. Right, yeah, so the other thing we've got to do is put these screws into a little pot. Where's the pot I prepared earlier? I know where I put them. Somewhere safe. Can't beat putting things somewhere safe, but you can't find them afterwards. Anyway, so right, so let's put these screws in here, then I'll know where they are. If this works, obviously, I mean this is just a starter kit, so if it works I'll buy more. Probably might have to buy some smaller ones. Let's try. Sod it. Can you see this? Hopefully you can see it. You should be able to see it. Let's get a bit of track. Bit track. So the general idea is you don't need to make any holes. Means he's thinking probably, I don't know, once you get it started, it's a bit of a bugger to start, and once it's started it's fine. Yeah, okay, I'll buy it, but I think I need a French screw actually just to get that started in future, and I might get smaller ones as well next time. Anyway, so anyway, that's that. They seem to work alright. These safe. So I might have to use a French screw in future to get that started. Right, yeah, so that's that. Anyway, gonna give this another paint. I've already been playing around with it, and we'll give it another paint, see how that is. What else? I think that's it for the minute. And then I'll come back to you again when I'm doing something else. Okay, so I've decided, oh hang on, I better turn that off, otherwise I'll get turned off by YouTube. I'm going to lay some track, just temporary track, or sort of semi-permanent track. discovered that definitely the way forward is with the French drill for these pins, and this is roughly how we're going to have it, so that way I can build the sidings and then second track there. Being the station's going to come in up a bit further up, so here I can have some houses, a small little hamlet here coming into the station up here. So this will go into another set of points, bringing that round. I think the basic part of the line is going to be here with the station here. We're definitely working out that the using the French drill, anybody doesn't know what a French drill is, that's a French drill, and it's quite simple really, because you just put your finger there, up and down. It's nice and simple. If I do it on the track, it's even easier, isn't it? Let's do a bit of track. So you French drill. Can we see the track? Let's have a look. What can we see? Yeah. Right, so you get the French drill, you find that little hole that's already in the track, which is there. Put your finger on the top. All that's doing is giving me a bit of a pilot hole then for the screw. So one screw. Obviously if you haven't got shaky hands like me, then you can see why I couldn't do surgery anymore. And what you've now got, because of using that little drill, it's giving me a nice little pilot hole. Definitely the way to go is definitely with these screws. So anyway, that's going to give me my track. That's giving me a guideline for what I can do up here. I'll have another track coming back down there. As a dead end, but this eventually, this is temporary, this bit here. I'm going to block this off. So eventually when I do come round on that bit, it's a bit of an update. As you can see, I've done a bit more work. Ooh, that happen. Got that back in. Right, yeah, done a bit more work. I shall edit that bit out. And what we've done is now put some foam down. I've actually got no plan, and I've come up. Definitely this section here is going to be like this. With the hill still at the back, and then the track coming along here. This is going to be the express line. Going to go all the way around. This is going to be the station here, the platforms. Definitely love the track screws. Highly recommend them. Anyway, that's going to be this is going to be the platform here, going underneath there. That much is definitely decided on. Going to build up the houses and the village with the road and everything coming along there. Not too sure exactly what I'm going to do at the back there. That's still work in progress, but I thought, right, well, I'll come to about here, maybe with the station as well. Not sure yet, but definitely start just building this bit up here. Need to clear a bit of space up that end to start having a workbench somewhere. But we're getting there, and so that's it so far. Untidy looking mess, quite rightly. But I've blackened all this off. This is on foam. I'm only putting the green in just to give you some sort of idea what's what and where's where. Don't know how much of that will stay green. It doesn't really make a difference. But I thought I'd just paint some green in as far as here for now. As I say, that's going to be the platform. This is going to be the express line. That's going to go straight up and round. I'll probably take that over the... I don't know how I'm going to do that yet. I've got to think exactly how I'm going to do that end of it. Not sure at all yet. All my plans I've done so far I've changed anyway, so don't bother making any more. But that's it so far. I'll probably now edit these couple of bits that I've got on here in the other camera, and then it'll be a short little update for now, and I'll catch you all again soon.
Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.